Welcome to part 4 from the top most important general knowledge. Let's begin with Question 1. The concept of directive principles of state policy incorporated in the Constitution of India was borrowed from the Constitution of Ireland. Question 2. Who coined the name Pakistan? Chaudhry Rahmat Ali. Question 3. Name the country that has the most islands in the world, the majority of which are uninhabited. Sweden. Question 4. Bombs and pistols do not make revolution. The sword of revolution is sharpened on the whetting stone of ideas. Who said this? Bhagat Singh. Question 5. Acid rains are produced by excess nitrous oxide and sulfur oxide from burning fossil fuels. Question 6. Name the international agencies publishes the Energy Transition Index. The World Economic Forum. Question 7. The first registered trade union of India. Madras Labour Union. Question 8. Who was the first recipient of the Padma Shri Award from Meghalaya? Silverine Swear. Question 9. Point Calimere Wildlife Sanctuary is situated in which state? Tamil Nadu. Question 10. Pusa decomposer is related to stubble burning. Question 11. In accordance with the provision of our Constitution, all India services can be created only by Parliament. Question 12. Who is the highest law officer of the state? Advocate General. Question 13. Why do we see only one side of the moon? Tidally locked to the earth. Question 14. Light year means distance travelled by light in 1 year. Question 15. What causes change in seasons? Tilt of Earth's axis alone. Question 16. Halley's comet appears once in a period of 76 years. Question 17. Gandhi Sagar Dam is a part of which project? Chambal project. Question 18. The requirement of water is highest in which industries? Iron and steel. Question 19. The Indian Standard Time is ahead of Greenwich Mean Time, GMT, by 5 hours and 30 minutes. Question 20. Who was the first Speaker of Lok Sabha? G.V. Mavlankar. Question 21. When did Shillong become the capital of Meghalaya? 11th November 1975. Question 22. Secularism means separation of religion from state. Question 23. India is a democratic republic because the head of the state is elected by the people. Question 24. Schemes run under the National Rural Employment Guarantee Act are sponsored by the central government alone. Question 25. The Bermuda Triangle, also known as the Devil's Triangle, is a loosely defined region in the western part of which ocean? Atlantic Ocean. Question 26. Which highway networks of India connects Delhi, Mumbai, Kolkata and Chennai? Golden Quadrilateral. Question 27. The world's largest temple, Yazidi Temple, is situated in which country? Armenia. Question 28. When International Yoga Divas is celebrated? 21st June. Question 29. When is World Environment Day, recognized by the UN, observed? 5th June. Question 30. SWAN stands for? Statewide Area Networks. Question 31. The International Olympic Committee, IOC, is an international, non-profit, non-governmental organization based in Switzerland. Question 32. Marketing channels mean? Delivery outlets. Question 33. Which games is associated with the Sultan Azlan Shah Cup? Hockey. Question 34. Headquarters of UNESCO is located in? Paris. Question 35. SAARC head office is located in? Kathmandu, Nepal. Question 36. Indravati National Park is a national park located in which state? Chhattisgarh. Question 37. The National Youth Day is celebrated on? 12th January. Question 38. Vikram Sarabhai Space Center, VSSC, is at? Thiruvananthapuram. Question 39. Largest country in the world? Russia. Question 40. Rise of mercury in a barometer indicates? Atmospheric pressure is rising. Question 41. Name the largest dam in India. Tehri Dam. Question 42. A girl ate sweets while fanning the flies away. Due to this, she suffered from a disease diagnosed as cholera. Question 43. Ready source of energy available for athletes is? Carbohydrates. Question 44. Salt is used in our food because? It helps in production of hydrochloric acid required to digest the food. Question 45. Flower colors are due to? Flower colors are due to? Anthocyanins. Question 46. The largest gland in the human body is? Liver. Question 47. Name the pollutants that a traffic constable is likely to inhale. Carbon monoxide. Question 48. A thing which catches fire easily? Inflammable substance. Question 49. A place or land used for burial. Cemetery. Question 50. A person who eats too much is called? Glutton. Question 51. A disease caused by contact is called? Infectious. Question 52. Who was the first Indian in independent India to have won a medal in an individual Olympic event? K.D. Jadhav. Question 53. The President of India is elected indirectly by an electoral college consisting of elected members of the Parliament and state legislative assemblies. Question 54. On which dates is International Day Against Drug Abuse and Illicit Trafficking observed? 26 June. Question 55. Mount Abu, an important hill station, is in the state of Rajasthan. Question 56. The slave dynasty in India was founded by Qutb-ud-Din Aibak. Question 57. The most important kharif crop in India is rice. Question 58. Cutting and peeling of onions brings tears to the eyes because of the presence of sulfuric acid. Question 59. A strong smelling agent added to LPG cylinder to help in the detection of gas leakage. Thiophenol. Question 60. Who is the only Indian footballer to win both the Arjuna and the Dronacharya awards? Syed Naeem-Uddin. Question 61. What changes will happen to a ball of ice and water kept at exactly 0 degrees Celsius? No change will happen. Question 62. What prize is given by the UNESCO? Kalinga Prize. Question 63. Which states in India has the maximum number of national parks? Madhya Pradesh. Question 64. The excess of price a person is to pay rather than forego the consumption of the commodity is called producer's surplus. Question 65. Which parts of the skeleton protects the spinal cord? Vertebral column. Question 66. Dialysis is the treatment given to a patient suffering from kidney problem. Question 67. Who certifies a bill to be a money bill in Indian states? Speaker of the Lok Sabha. Question 68. A common high court for 2 or more states and or union territories may be established by the Parliament. Question 69. Indian strategy is related to rights of persons with disabilities. Question 70. When was the new liberalized industrial policy announced in India? 1991.